Again, 2019 Kenworth T680, Central Oregon Truck Company spec, light moss green, which is really our proprietary color. Starting at the front here, you'll see we have blind spot mirrors left and right. Okay, trying to give the driver added visibility while he's driving down the road of what's going on alongside his truck. Something new for this year, projector style HID headlights, which is a dramatic improvement over the old halogen style that we've had in the past. So again, a very key safety issue for safety technology there. Something that you've noticed here on these trucks for 2019 are additional aerodynamics, okay, around the wheel wells, underneath the bumper, alongside or underneath the fairings on the sleeper, and again, that's really to promote aerodynamics, improve fuel mileage, which again puts money in everybody's pocket. Another new feature for 2019 is we now have access to our batteries without pulling off the fairings. So you know, we have jump start terminals under the hood, but for service and for maintenance, that's very key in that regard. Power electric mirrors on both sides, left and right at the cab. Again, 76-inch sleeper. And as we always do our pinstriping, which is really some Central Oregon Truck's calling card on our light moss green color. 270 gallons of fuel capacity, really designed to keep drivers on the road and out of truck stops and having to spend that time fueling. So a lot of fuel capacity on these trucks today. Michelin tires all the way around on aluminum wheels, low profile 22.5 tires, and again high quality Michelin all-season tires on these trucks. 24-inch fifth wheel slide, okay, that you'll notice on these. Again, a lot of lightweight components in these trucks, but 24-inch slide is really proven to be what we need. It allows the driver to have the flexibility that they need in order to scale out their load. Kenworth Flex Air suspension. It's an AG380. The suspension is really proven to be a robust, reliable suspension in our fleet, and with a handful of exceptions, which are typically quads, this is the same suspensions that we've been using on our trucks for probably the last 10 years. Again, very reliable, very robust. Okay, new for 2018 model year, which was last year. We actually tested 10 of these units in 2017, which was 2018 model year, but we tested 10 of these Thermal King tri-pack units. These are solely for driver comfort, driver amenities. We tested 10 of them last year. This year, all 75 trucks will have the tri-pack system on it. Basically, what this is to do is to maintain battery voltage and climate control inside the sleeper. You can see the condenser mounted up here on the back of the sleeper. Two things will cause this to run. One is low battery voltage. It'll bring the batteries up. Okay, and the other thing is when you call for AC in the truck. Okay, so if you call for AC in the sleeper, this thing is going to run, and it's going to run a separate air conditioning system, okay, which will require this unit to run. And this is basically a 2-cylinder diesel engine, runs on diesel fuel, very reliable, proven technology. Does add a little bit of weight, but we feel like the weight challenge with this is overcome by the comfort that it gives the driver. The sleepers are also equipped with fuel-fired furnaces, okay, so in cold situations the furnace will run just like our trucks have had over the last 10, 15 years. That does not require this to run. Okay, it's again old technology, very reliable, works very well. Again, I pointed out inside we have cab doors, sleeper access doors on left and right with windows that we can open, allows the driver to get some ventilation in that sleeper if he chooses to do so. Again, full aerodynamics. Okay, our goal is to get allow the driver to run down the road as efficiently as possible. And again, puts money in the driver's pocket, puts money in the company's pocket. Something that you may have noticed, are you still on? Something that you may have noticed is in this year we're testing out some cattle guards or animal guards. We're putting them on some trucks to see if we can get some return on those from hitting deer, knocking headlights out. So you'll see a few trucks running around this year. I think in the end there'll be probably about 50 of them that have a all steel or stainless steel guard on the front of them that's really designed to mitigate damage from hitting a deer or a cow or something like that. So you see a few of those as well.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Phil.